Have you ever noticed how some men look well put together and confident while others struggle to stand out? If you're still rocking the same hoodie and sneakers from college, then it might be time for an upgrade. In this video, I'm going to share simple yet practical style tricks to make you appear more mature. Plus, I'll show you how to apply these tips to your own wardrobe. Generally, your wardrobe should reflect the man you've become, not the boy you used to be. Back in my early 20s, my friends and I would rock clothes with massive logos, bold graphics or wild prints on just about anything. And honestly, that was perfectly fine for that age. But as you get older, the stakes are higher. Mistakes in your style don't just look out of place, they might even cost you certain opportunities. Building a wardrobe with clean, timeless pieces free from oversized logos and flashy graphics instantly shifts your image from always casual and youthful to mature and credible. However, to ensure that you're always perceived as mature and capable, surprisingly, comes down to how well you can predict the future. Let me give you an example. I was invited to a Christmas corporate party hosted in a German beer hall in London, where the invitation simply said, "Come as you are." So go too formal and you stand out for the wrong reasons. Go too casual and it looks like you don't take the event seriously. After thinking it through, I decided on high-waisted wool trousers, a black turtleneck and a statement overshirt, something that captured the beer hall vibe while adding a touch of Christmas spirit because of the color. But then it hit me. This is England. The team was definitely going to get fucking wasted and we'd probably end up in a nightclub afterwards. So I swapped the turtleneck for a t-shirt, knowing I could ditch the overshirt when it got too hot. Because I planned for the setting and the potential shift in the evening, I was comfortable, appropriately dressed, and avoided the stress of feeling out of place. Remember, always dress for the occasion, but think ahead to ensure your outfit can adapt if plans change. But if you overlook this next point, you sadly risk being seen as someone who doesn't care about his appearance. I'm of course talking about fit. As you get older, fit becomes non-negotiable. But if you focus on these key fit rules, you'll be completely fine. Your shoulder seams should align with the shoulder bone right here. Your sleeves should hit your wrist and your trousers should sit comfortably without needing a belt. Fit is ensuring your clothes enhance your best features, but also signals that you've outgrown the careless, baggy looks of your 20s. However, there's another element just as crucial, one that can completely elevate your look or leave you looking washed out and uninspired. Most men don't realize that color can make or break their look. Here's how to get this right, following a very simple formula. The foundation of a sharp and versatile wardrobe begins with neutral colors, such as gray, navy blue, beige, technically not colors, but still neutrals, meaning black and white. This should take up to 50% of your overall outfit. Once you've nailed the basics, introduce some seasonal or tonal colors to add personality to your outfits. For example, in spring, like warm tones such as peach, bright greens or pink, these colors complement your neutrals and give your outfits a polished edge. This shouldn't exceed more than roughly 30% of your outfit though. When you're confident with neutrals and seasonal tones, you can add more intense colors or patterns, max 20% of your outfit though. In the beginning, use these in small doses, such as accessories like socks, ties or sunglasses. Think of it as the finishing touch that is attention grabbing on purpose. The 30% and 20% layers are entirely optional when you're starting out. You can build an amazing wardrobe with just neutrals. Now, you're one step closer to mastering a mature and confident look. But most men overlook how to style their pants, and it's often the reason their outfits fall flat. If you don't want to be one of them, check out this video next.